Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Google Chrome. So in here, I've already opened the Google Chrome, and as you guys can see, this is like my default page on the Google Chrome. If you want to customize it, for example, like by adding this background like here, or edit the theme, you can just follow these steps. First, after you open it, you'll notice at the bottom right corner there will be this little pencil icon. So when you click on that, you can go to this panel, customize Chrome. You can see this is the current theme that I have installed. So if you want to change it, you can just easily click on this change theme option, and there will be lots of options for the theme that you can choose in here. You can also upload an image on your own, or you can also get one from the Chrome web store. For example, in here I'm going to just change it into, let's try this rising artist. I'm going to choose that one. Go to the top, and here choose the theme that you want. And then here you can see there are also lots of options when you click on one of them. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the image that you want to use, and then it will follow here automatically. Okay, if you want to customize the other. Okay, so here you can also refresh it daily. You can have a different theme each day if you want to, but I'm not going to turn that on. You can just go back in here. Here you can choose the theme. If you want to light, you can check light, dark, or you can also follow the device theme. Here you can also choose like a muted color for your Chrome. You can see follow device color, and here you can also customize shortcut. So this is the shortcut. You can choose to hide them or show them just like this. Sorry, not this one shortcut. And here you can also just show the most visited site if you want to. So if you're done customizing your Chrome, you can just close this panel. And that's it. That's how you can customize your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.